Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. Do you remember the case where allegations were put on Smriti Irani that her daughter was running an illegal cafe in Goa? This case dates back to 2022. Now it has come into light that the activist whose RTI flagged this case is now facing troubles from the center. Aris Rodriguez, a Goa-based activist, through his RTI response had revealed that the cafe was built without getting the construction or repair license from the Asangao Panchayat, which is a must by law. The RTI further revealed that parts of the cafe are on the tenanted land, which can only be used for the purpose of farming. According to the News Laundry, activist Rodriguez is now facing troubles with his overseas Citizen of India passport. This comes amid the relief granted by the Bombay High Court on July 25. The Bombay High Court had directed the centre to consider Mr. Rodriguez's application for the OCI status. Mr. Rodriguez claims that he is now being targeted for taking up public interest issues against successive governments and for bringing out alleged illegalities surrounding senior BJP leader Smriti Irani's daughter. Let's understand the whole trouble which Mr. Rodriguez is facing. So, Mr. Rodriguez's OCI application was rejected 2 times by the Foreign Regional Registration Office. This comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Mr. Rodriguez had applied for OCI status in June of last year, after he had surrendered his Indian passport upon acquiring the Portuguese passport. When he first applied in June, he was told that he has to reside in India for 6 months before applying for OCI. But he reapplied after 6 months on January 25 of this year. On March 5, he had an appointment at the FRRO Mumbai for verification of his original documents. Then on June 6, he was told that his application was cancelled. Soon after this, Mr. Rodriguez approached the Bombay High Court on June 20th. In the petition, he had called FRRO's decision as arbitrary and erroneous. But the Bombay High Court on July 25 had noted that FRRO lacks the required jurisdictions and reasons to reject Mr. Rodriguez's application. The High Court, while setting aside FRRO's order, by noting that impungent communication doesn't cite any reason for rejection nor refers to any material against Mr. Rodriguez. The Bombay High Court had directed the centre to consider the application of Mr. Rodriguez for the grant of OCI card within a period of 30 days. Mr. Rodriguez now says that even after High Court's order, the FRRO Mumbai still showed the status of his application as application closed. Mr. Rodriguez told News Laundry that there are chances that he is paying the price for having Smriti Irani. He now hopes that the Ministry of Home Affairs will be fair and not be influenced by the forces that want to be vindictive. However, he added that in case of a continued witch hunt, he hopes to get justice from God and the judiciary. Let's now talk in detail about what the allegation Mr. Rodriguez had levelled against Smriti Irani's daughter. The case dates back to 2022. The allegations were that Smriti Irani's daughter was illegally operating the Silly Souls Cafe and Bar in Goa's Asagao. According to government's records and submissions made to Maharashtra's Registrar of Companies, at least 2 directors of the restaurant's alleged parent company, named Atoll Food and Beverages, are also directors of 2 firms linked to Smriti Irani's husband and son. One of the directors used to run another Silly Soul Cafe in Delhi, which now has been shut. In fact, the address of the Atoll shares the same address as the restaurant. Through Mr. Rodriguez's RTI, it came out that the restaurant's proprietor was accused of fraudulently renewing its liquor license, which was in the name of a dead man. Smriti Irani had, however, denied the charges that her daughter ran the restaurant. She also pointed out that neither the RTI reply nor the excise notice mentions her family. She has termed these allegations as a conspiracy. She had also sent a legal notice to Congress leaders for allegedly maligning her family. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.